contest 1, 2, and 3 that we're launching for 2024. And it is a literacy one, so it's got to do with emotions, words, love, bravery. And then the second one is nature, preserving nature. So it could be anything with nature, ocean, trees, animals. That's contest number 2. Use fabric paint. There's iridescent paint. You've got your dyes. And of course I've got glitter for the fairy. Sharpies. Colored Sharpies are the best. And then here's the paintbrushes. So here's an example of Sharpie, and then this person was doing octopus, and they just colored it in, so it's a solid color. Here's our copy machine, because it's very important to find a design, and of course your rulers, scissors, measuring tape. Today I am going to show you the work that 8 children are doing when it comes to print design. Hi everybody, this is Ingram Fashion Design Textile class. And I'm going to go around the room so you can hear their names and their ages, and then you're going to see what they designed. We're going to start here on this side.
Hi, my name is Eva and I am 7 years old. My name is Olivia and I'm 8 years old. My name is Taylor and I'm 7 years old. My name is Lily and I'm 13. My name's Abby and I'm 7. My name's Eleanor and I'm 8. I don't know why I can't do it. An elf.
An elf. Beautiful. Beautiful designs.
This fairy, and she is like, I love the class. Because foxes are cute and there's a lot of possibilities to how I can paint it.
That's true. Seashell layout. Again, you can see it's tracing paper, and on the back she taped it. She's still tracing. Hers is a nautical theme. As you can see, I have 3 nautical themes in a row. This is also a nautical. She just picked a V-neck though. She's doing a V-neck. So I hope you enjoy the video. Ciao. Hope you enjoy it.